So this one is it's a lament. It's called Liam O'Reilly, and so Liam O'Reilly was the name of this particular man, or William Riley, probably would have been the English translation. He got married to a woman called Nell Og Nicurtine, and on the day of the wedding, well, after the wedding, the priest who married the two of them, he had to be brought to the other side of the bay, and on the way back, so it was, the groom and two other young men brought him over, and on the way back a storm hit, and the groom and the two other lads who brought him over were drowned. So the song is Nell Og Nicurtine's lament for her husband who died on the same day that she married him. So,
Vi anneter verkan kloran Søklar sjøklar frabut Eskare gønnem rabanan Lemograse fyller nabut Trafsim o aidan afago megor Nu alışıp şeharte Gorbahum avilestor Na menschen Allah'ın Skål. Jan tiden for Willem Riley agus leis on døron. Nir vor langt Riley og hvad ich dir en Cortini gleiale strömmar det lemolin Nervanslam skulle krate vektarer madim Nei, banaltrøne gjegebane Vi getalert stodelane Ni har in de vand foste Naar hare dief labo Snore i merge de vogel Ser de hore vi wanneer Vi to tror ahoga kel khaman Etilakın nar Peter vi nische şerefliche Nati kafyan mise ach bolem Snacht rojen bansen i her Se kvithach martinje Stado rinnek na portan. Tadog Allah yalig legal erem trollesh nu prodan. Nachum bishanges shevi skun vrepo vi volan.